Ever wonder how long those mesmerizing, glowing neon signs that illuminate our cities actually last? You know, the ones that whisper stories of bygone eras, advertising everything from vintage diners to quirky boutiques? Well, get ready to dive deep into the world of neon, because we're about to uncover the truth behind their longevity. Imagine strolling down a dimly lit street, and suddenly, a burst of vibrant color catches your eye. It's a neon sign, humming with a soft glow, casting a captivating spell. But how long does this magic last? Do these iconic beacons of light fade away like fleeting memories, or do they possess a timeless endurance? Neon signs, with their unique blend of artistry and technology, have been illuminating our lives for over a century. Their distinctive glow stems from a fascinating process. Electricity is passed through a glass tube filled with neon gas, causing it to emit a brilliant, characteristic light. But while the spectacle is undeniable, the question remains, how long does this luminous display truly endure? Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Several factors significantly influence the lifespan of a neon sign. Firstly, the quality of the glass tubing plays a crucial role. High-quality glass is more resistant to breakage and leaks, extending the sign's longevity. Secondly, the quality of the electrodes, the points where electricity enters and exits the tube, is paramount. Poorly constructed electrodes can overheat, leading to premature failure. Thirdly, environmental factors like temperature fluctuations, humidity, and exposure to the elements can all take a toll on a neon sign. Proper maintenance is key to maximizing the lifespan of your neon sign. Regular inspections can help identify and address potential issues early on. This might include checking for gas leaks, ensuring proper electrical connections, and cleaning the sign to prevent dust buildup, which can interfere with the light output. Professional neon sign repair technicians possess the expertise to diagnose and fix any problems, ensuring your sign continues to shine bright. While traditional neon signs hold a special place in our hearts, modern advancements have led to the development of LED neon flex. This innovative technology offers several advantages, including increased durability, lower energy consumption, and greater flexibility in design. While LED neon flex doesn't replicate the exact glow of traditional neon, it provides a viable and long-lasting alternative. Let's address a common misconception. Many believe that neon signs are fragile and easily break. While they require careful handling, they are surprisingly robust. With proper care and maintenance, neon signs can last for decades, even a century or more. In fact, some vintage neon signs still illuminate our streets today, a testament to their enduring legacy. One of the unique aspects of neon signs is their tendency to develop a patina over time. The glass may become slightly discolored, and the glow might soften, adding a touch of vintage charm. This aging process, rather than being a flaw, can be seen as a testament to the sign's history, a visual record of its journey through time. So, how long do neon signs last? The answer is, it varies. With proper care, they can illuminate our lives for many years, even generations. Whether it's the timeless allure of traditional neon or the modern efficiency of LED flex, these luminous beacons continue to captivate us with their vibrant glow. They are more than just advertisements. They are pieces of art, symbols of a bygone era, and reminders of the enduring power of light. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.